Hello everyone, this is Mama Liu's kitchen. I'm so glad here again. And today I'm going to make a celery peanut salad. Let's start. Now we're going to make a salad oil. 4 heads of scallions, 4 pieces garlic, 1 teaspoon peppercorn, 1 star anise. We're going to boil 1 or 2 cup oil. We make a one-time salad oil, but we can use many times later on. Now let's make spiced peanuts. Now we're going to boil the peanuts with spice and 2 tablespoons soy sauce and 1 teaspoon salt, about 30 minutes at a lower medium heat. We need to boil the celery about 1 or 2 minutes, not too longer, and we'll take out the draining, and then we use the cold water to rinsing, and then we put in the ice water. This way we can keep the celery's color looks green. After in ice water about 5 minutes, and we need to dry up the celery again. Now we put a 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1 table teaspoon salad oil and mix them well, and we're ready to serving. Hope everybody enjoy it. Thank you for your watching. For more recipe, please subscribe and follow. We will see you for next time. Bye bye.